everyone! We're going to make this tulip today. This will be the first craft that we do that will require 2 pieces of paper because it's a tulip. Get it? Anyways, let's get started. As stated in the intro, you'll need 2 pieces of square origami or colored paper. One will be used for the flower and one for the stem and leaves. Let's start with the flower part first. Fold from the top right corner diagonally across to the bottom left corner. Unfold and fold the top left corner diagonally across to the bottom right corner. Unfold and you should see an X. Turn the paper over. Fold the bottom edge up to the top edge. Unfold and fold the right edge over to the left edge. Unfold and turn the paper over again. Pick up the paper and use your fingers to gently press in on the horizontal folds until the 2 sides meet in the middle, and press the top down, making a triangle. Fold the top flap of the bottom 2 corners of the triangle up to the center to make a diamond shape. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. Hold the upper 2 flaps together and collapse the bottom 2 flaps. Make sure the top edges are able to be opened, and fold one of them towards the center. I like to fold from about 1/5 across the top to about 1/2 across the bottom, but you don't have to be very precise, as long as the fold crosses the center line. Make a fold on the other side that is similar, but the point you fold from at the top is closer to the center. Open up the second fold and tuck the first fold inside. Flip it over, make matching folds, open up the one that starts closer to the center, and tuck the other inside. Now pick up the shape and you should see a hole at the bottom of it. Gently support the tucked folds with your fingers and blow into the hole until the tulip is inflated. It might take a bit of force to inflate these, as you see me struggle with it here. Now you should see 4 points at the top of the flower. These are the petals. Gently curl these points back to make the flower open up. You can also gently press down on the top of the flower to make it less pointy. And now the flower part is done. Onto the stem. Place the paper on the table like a diamond. Fold the right corner across to the left. . Open it up and you should see a crease going through the middle. Fold the bottom right edge to the center crease. Do the same with the bottom left edge. Now fold the top right edge to the center line. Do the same with the top left edge. Repeat again with the bottom right and left edges. Now fold the bottom point up to the very top. Fold the whole shape along the center. You can curl the outside back a bit, but be careful not to tear it. And the stem is done. To combine the flower with the stem, push the point in the stem into the hole at the bottom of the flower. You may have to readjust a few times for stability. And there you go, a cute little tulip. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more, I have more spring-related craft ideas right here. Well, if they're out. They will be soon. See you next time!